What's up, ATC gang? Happy Sunday! I'm so glad to be back with you all for another video. So today we're going to get a little bit of cleaning and decorating done in my living room downstairs for the fall season. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get some inspiration. So today I'm going to use some new items that I've already hauled, as well as some old items that I have stored in my bins right here. So if you're ready to get some quick and easy ideas and just get you in the mood to decorate, let's get going. But you know, it would not be a fall decorate with me without my coffee. So while you grab your drink, I'll grab mine. So first, I like to start by clearing off all of the surfaces and taking my pine salt and some hot water and giving everything a good wipe down. You'd be surprised about how much dust can accumulate. So once I have this all wiped down, I'm gonna clean off my box. Inside this box, we keep our remotes to try to keep the table as tidy as possible. So to top off my end table, I'm just gonna add a nice decorative candle holder. This one is from Bath and Body Works, but as you can see, the large Target candles don't fit. I ended up having to use a Bath and Body Works candle. So after I got the top done, I decided to go ahead and put a little something under the bottom. So I'm curious, if you have an end table that has a top and a bottom, or even a coffee table with a top and the bottom, do you decorate both spaces or do you leave some room? Let me know down in the comments below. I must say, this spray away works wonders. It's definitely worth the money. I got it from Target. So this dresser actually was white. It's one of the IKEA dressers, and I just got some chalk paint and went over it. And then once I was done painting, I put a acrylic top base on it, so I was able to clean it at my leisure. I'm just going to take my time and give my sofas a thorough cleaning. One thing I do to keep everything nice and fresh is I like to add some dryer sheets under each cushion. Now that I'm done with this side of the sofa, I'm just replacing the cushions. I like to take my time and do under the cushions and the top and the bottom of each one. I'm pleasantly surprised with the fact that there's not a boatload of dust under my chairs, because sometimes it can get crazy. So I actually found this coffee table outside in pieces. One of my neighbors was putting it out for the trash. So me and my son sanded and repainted it, and my man took the time to bolt everything together, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the turnout. So I'll be sure to link in the iCards above the process so you can see how we got it done. So I appreciate you guys so much for taking the time to tune in today's video. If you are enjoying and liking anything you see thus far, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join the family. So I had a gallery wall right here, but I decided to go ahead and switch it up. I commissioned this dope young artist to do some channel art for me, and I love the way it came out. So I just wanted to take the time to display it. This will probably be where I end up filming my future haul. So if you like it, leave me a thumbs up or a comment down below and let me know if you feel like she did a great job. This is the last wall in the living room, and I feel like I want to put a nice entryway table, but in the interim, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this space with 2 vignettes. Most of the items that I'm using to decorate these vignettes I hauled, so I'll make sure to link that video in the iCard above. So the secret to making these flowers look good is just to take your time and separate each one so it kind of looks like they're blooming. So I needed to go into my storage and just look for a couple more odds and ends. I wanted to swap out my pillowcase covers because every season I change the pillowcase covers, and I do that instead of buying pillows because it's better for storage. So I found these picks that I'll use under the TV, and then I'll use these 2 autumn pumpkin pillowcases on the couch. So I went ahead and started fluffing out my pillows and then stuffing them with the new pillowcases, and I realized I needed to change the cheap little curtain rod that was up there. So I got a nice one from Big Lots. I believe it was probably 12 bucks. So my man was just taking the time to swap those out for me, and you will be surprised the look that just changing out curtain rods can give your space. Just try it and let me know if you find that you like it, because it's a cheap and easy fix to elevate any area. So now that he has that up here, I'm just going to go ahead and load the curtains back on, step back and take a look. And then I believe this is probably the last part that I had to do in the room, and we will get ready for the reveal. Okay, now that the supervisor is done, I'm gonna go ahead and light these candles. So you know what that means. It's reveal time. All right, y'all, I just want to say thank you once again for taking the time to stop by my channel. I've enjoyed filming this video, so I hope you took something from it. Next up, I'm going to film a kitchen clean and decorate with me in our fall series. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything coming up. I've enjoyed hanging out with you, so until next time, be blessed.